Okay, let's read it first. The lunchbox surprise by Grace Macron, illustrated by Bessie Ruin. Okay, I can read it.
Sure you can.
It's a little bit tricky. It's time for lunch. It's time to eat. The teacher says, now take your seat. My lunch is best a jam and ham. And Kim and them. And Max and Sam. Jam has peanut butter, bread, and jam. Ham has soup. Dan has ham. Kim has tuna, toast, and cheese. Max has chicken, rice, and peas. But Sam has nothing. Not a spot. Sam has nothing. His mom forgot. Sam is surprised. Sam is sad. Sam is hungry. Sam is mad. Oh no, what does Sam do? Maybe his friend will help him. Or will he go hungry? You need to check the book out and find out yourself. It's a very good book. You should read it.